Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Meg and I am a fully qualified yoga teacher, beautician and masseuse. And this is my channel where I talk a lot about yoga, tips and tricks and things that you guys can follow along from home, but also some health and wellness as well. So if that is something you're interested in, go and hit the subscribe button and it means you won't ever miss what is going on this channel and you'll be notified every time I post onto this channel. Today I am going to be doing a slightly more advanced kind of warm-up poses to get you into a back bend or to get you deeper into your wheel pose. I did record a beginner's version, so if that's more what you feel like you need, maybe start with that one and then come on to this one. I will pop that up above whatever side it pings up at. But yeah, these are just slightly deeper, like back opening stretches, which are going to help to get you into those bridge positions, to get you into a better wheel position, and to get you into a deeper back bend. So maybe you're someone who's working on going back into a back bend or just achieving it in general. These are all going to help. You don't really need anything in particular to do this, but I do always recommend having a really good quality mat onto a hard surface. And the reason is because the good quality mat will be grippy onto the hard surface, so it will stop it from slipping out from underneath you, so you're less likely to hurt yourself. And also they tend to have better grip onto them, so when your legs, hands, feet are on there, you're less likely to slip off of the mat and again less likely to hurt yourself. And also working on a hard surface to protect your joints a little bit more. And when you're ready, we will get started. We're going to start in our tabletop position. We're going to come into our cat-cows, and this is going to open up through the back just a little bit and kind of get you nice and warmed up. So as you inhale, we're dropping the belly, lifting the tailbone, squeezing the shoulder blades together, gazing forward. Exhale, tucking the tailbone under, spreading through the shoulder blades, chin tucks in towards the chest. Keep going on your own breath. Inhale into your cow spine and exhale into your cat spine. Don't be afraid to use the space around you to get into these stretches, using all your vertebrae. And we'll do one more of each. Coming back into a neutral spine. From here, we're going to come into our camel pose. So we're going to come up onto the knees. We're going to take the right arm or the right hand onto the right foot and push your hips forward, so you're squeezing your glutes together, and then maybe taking the left arm all the way up and back, just going as far as you can. Maybe this is as far as you can go. Maybe you can tip all the way back and grab hold of the left foot. We're lifting the heart up towards the ceiling, squeezing those shoulder blades together and pushing your hips forwards. Gazing back, squeeze the glutes, and then we'll take the hand back around. We're going to do the same onto the other side. So we're going to take the left hand down this time onto the left foot. Right arm comes all the way up and back into your camel pose. Squeeze the glutes, push the hips, lift the chest up towards the ceiling and take the head back. And then back round to face the front. We're going to come into our puppy pose from here. So we're going to take the hands out in front. Again, making sure your hips are directly over your knees. Walk those hands out, but we're going to take the thumbs up towards the ceiling, slowly taking the chest down. Maybe taking the forehead or the chin down in towards the mat. You want to make sure that there's a good gap between your hands, so your hands are shoulder width apart. Maybe walking them forwards a little bit. Pushing your hips back so they're staying over the knees and the chest is going towards the thighs. And down. And we'll slowly come all the way up. We'll roll those shoulders back and down, maybe come into your child's pose. If you need to, just rock the hips from side to side, readjusting the spine. And then we'll come all the way down onto our backs. We're going to come into our bridge pose, but we're just going to take this a little bit more advanced. So you want your feet hip width apart, toes are facing forwards, your hands are down by your sides, and then walk your feet up so that you can graze the back of your foot with your hands. We'll tuck the tailbone under, coming all the way up into your bridge, and then maybe taking the chest in towards the chin, maybe taking the arms underneath the bum to hold you up a little bit further. We're going to start to take this into a little bit more of an advanced posture. So you can either take the hands down or you can keep them underneath your back. And we're going to lift up the right leg towards the ceiling. Pointing, that's the word, pointing the toe, lifting those hips up high. Deep breath in and down. If straightening the leg is too much, you can always bend the knee first. And then see if you can lift the legs. And we'll come onto the left. So again, lifting the hips up high, bending into the left knee, and then taking it up towards the ceiling, pointing the left toes. Again, you can always have your hands under your bum to lift you up higher and just give you a bit more support. Deep breath in. And exhale to come down. We'll come all the way down. And then hug those knees in towards the chest. Listen to your back here. So if your back feels okay after doing that, then maybe just stick to rocking from side to side and hugging the knees into the chest. If you need a bit more of a lower back stretch after that, you'll come into a staff pose. So your legs are coming out in front and you're melting over those legs, getting a deep stretch. And then we'll come all the way up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. Anything that you can do to support this channel will help me so much. The more support and I get to this channel, the more I can bring you guys free yoga content. So thank you so much if you already have subscribed. And if you haven't, go and hit that button. It honestly means the world to me. Drop me comments, let me know what you think. And I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Thanks. Bye.